Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings. alishanmao here. Welcome outdoor to my favorite spot, and this is the flight of GooSky S2 Legend with RadioMaster TX16S. I have set it up with RadioMaster TX16S, played around with the settings, and I have found the optimal settings that are good for GooSky S2 Legend helicopter on RadioMaster TX16S OpenTX radio. Well, these settings should be the same on Edge TX. So let's fly it and see how it performs. Now, in the previous video, I have shown you how to set up all these kind of direct drive 3D RC helicopters with RadioMaster TX16S, OpenTX or Edge TX radios. So go ahead, watch that video completely and see how you can set up all these helicopters, and then you just have to make a little bit of adjustments and tweak some settings to get these helicopters fly with their optimal settings. If you are feeling lazy and you don't want to watch that video and go through all the setup, then I have uploaded an OTX model file of TX16S radio for all the lazy people out there. So go ahead, check out the link in video description. You can download that OTX file and import it to your RadioMaster TX16S or OpenTX radios using the OpenTX companion, and bind the helicopter to your radio and start flying. No need to tweak anything because you will have my optimum settings for this helicopter. But if you want to learn, I suggest watch my previous video and learn how to set up these helicopters with RadioMaster TX16S. Now let's fly it and see how it goes. Okay, here we go. Unfortunately, I forgot to bring my chest camera mount, so you won't be able to see the radio sticks, but you can see that I am going to fly the helicopter with RadioMaster TX16S. Okay, now let me stand somewhere where there are no ants, so I'm not bothering them and they will not bother me. Here we go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So this is 6G mode, and the pitches are good. Controls are nice and proper. And switching to 3D aerobatics, it doesn't jump, which is very good. Here we go. I'm running mild speed on head, and it is actually able to do what I want to do, but I'm not gonna do my recent routines that I have been practicing today because I'm kind of used to the responses on Futaba radio. Let's test higher speed.
Aerobatic. 2 minutes.
Low speed because I want to save the battery. Oh, I can fly inverted, yes. I forgot. I've been practicing this. Oh, I went too far. Can you see it? Here it is, mashallah. Very, very stable.
1 minute.
All right, let's land.
Flight mode normal.
My timer has run out, so should be running out, not run out. And here we are, people. This is GooSky
Timer 1 elapsed.
S2 Legend, flown with RadioMaster TX16S. And these are, I believe, optimal settings. If I want to make it agile or docile, I can still do it on the, flight controller side using the
Motor disabled.
app of GooSky flight controller. I can make it agile, docile, but so far I feel everything is good. So for the radio side setup, this is the optimal setup right here. Go ahead, check out once again if you want to download the OTX file for this helicopter setup and just import to your radio. Go ahead, check out the link in the video description, show some love and download that file. If you don't want to download that file, well, go ahead and watch my video of how to set up all these direct drive 3D RC helicopters with RadioMaster TX16S. Learn, program, and fly. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button, it's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.